Hi, I'm James from roofracks.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you in a few easy steps how to replace a lock barrel in any Thule roof box. A great advantage of the Thule cargo system is that it is possible to match the keys of all of your Thule products. For example, if you have a pair of Thule roof bars and a bike rack and a roof box, then it makes a lot of sense to be able to simply lock and unlock each item with just a single key. At roofracks.co.uk, we include lock matching as a completely free service for new orders. It is also possible to do this yourself at home in a matter of seconds. All you need are the required number of locks and keys and a Thule master key. Before being able to remove the existing lock barrel, the roof box lid needs to be closed and locked.
First of all, you need to insert the original key into the lock. Depending on the model of your roof box, either turn the key slightly clockwise or anti-clockwise towards the marked unlocked position. This should be approximately 45 degrees from the normal locked position. Then remove the key from the lock. Now insert the Thule master key into the lock and gently wiggle the key as you pull the key out with the lock barrel attached. Remove the master key from the lock barrel and place it into the new lock barrel. Then visually line up the pins on the edge of the barrel with the cutout on the inside of the box lock housing and gently push the lock barrel into position. Now place your finger on the lock barrel and remove the master key. You can now operate the lock with the new key. Finally, check the lock turns smoothly by turning the key between the locked and unlocked positions.
If your roof box model is a double-sided opening model, you will need to do the same on both sides. In case you ever need to order a spare key, it is a good idea to make a note of your new key number, which is stamped on the handle of the key. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, please click on the like button below and also click our Simply Thule logo to subscribe and see more instructional videos from roofracks.co.uk.